So today's job is compost bin day. Compost job bin day. But I've got this one empty. Let me get back up here. So I got this one empty and the rest are full. And there's 2 more down there. And what I need to do is get the top out of this one and top that one right up to the top, and then that one goes into the empty one. That way the newer, fresher material will be on the bottom where it can compost quicker and faster. And I have to do that with all the bins as I empty them. So the top of that one goes into that one, the top of that one will come into this one, and then that will go into there, and so forth and so forth and so forth. That's today's job. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins. That one's full and needs to go into the little storage bin up the back. So as next week I will take all the compost from that bin, put it into that bin, and that bin, and that bin, and that bin, and that bin. That's how it goes. Compost bin day.